Downloading your account data from YouTube can help you keep a record of your activity and preferences. Follow these steps to easily download your data. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access your Google account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Data and Personalization. In the Google account menu, find and click on the Data and Personalization tab on the left side of the screen. Step 4. Download your data. Scroll down to the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for Your Data section. Click on Download your data to start the process. Step 5. Select YouTube data. You will be redirected to Google Takeout. Here, deselect all and then select only the YouTube data you wish to download. Follow the prompts to choose your preferred file type and delivery method, then click Create Export. Once the export is complete, you will receive a link to download your data. This process ensures you have a backup of your YouTube account information.